everyone, my name is Safiya Khan and I am student of school NTT Center. So hello children. So today we are learning about five senses. So this is tongue, nose, ear, hand and eyes. You know what is this? This is a cupcake. Do you like cupcakes? Yes. The cupcakes are sweet. So we taste with our tongue. And can you see what is this? Sour lemon and a spicy noodles. We taste with our tongue. Can you see what is this? This is a fresh roses. We smell with our nose. And this is a perfume. You all love the fragrance of the perfume. We smell with nose. And this is a telephone. We hear the sound of the telephone with our ears. And this is a radio. We listen the music with our ears. Can you see what is this? A boy holding a book with hands. And this is a blocks. We hold with our hands. What is this? A beautiful scenery we see with our eyes. And this is a beautiful rainbow, and rainbow has 7 colors. So do you love these activities, these 5 senses activities? So, thank you.